Well, it is a much warmer day today, and we're out at Riverbend Nature Center getting some hiking in. They've got some nice packed trails, and so it's good to get out. It's been a while since been able to do that after my stress fracture, but good to be out here hanging out with the family and enjoying the lovely nature. It's a little high 20s, so beautiful day. Hey, great hike at Riverbend, about an hour and a half. Got about 4 miles in, and beautiful place. Come check it out. It's great groomed cross-country trails. You can snowshoe, and the trails are packed enough where you can hike like we did today. But it was just beautiful, and so it's fun to check out a new place like this. It's a good learning to try new places, and definitely one I'd come back to. And so with that, keep on learning, and we'll see you down the trail.